Number 5. The Corsair 2000D Airflow mini-itx case is a masterclass in compact design and performance. Crafted to deliver exceptional cooling and airflow in a small footprint, its sleek, modern exterior is paired with a spacious interior that accommodates high-end components, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want powerful performance without the bulk of a traditional case. The front panel is designed for optimal ventilation, allowing multiple fans to draw in cool air efficiently, while the rear and top vents ensure hot air is expelled quickly, maintaining stable temperatures even under heavy loads. Inside, the layout is meticulously organized, offering ample space for a full-size GPU, multiple storage drives, and a high-performance power supply, all while supporting liquid cooling setups for ultimate thermal management. Number 4. The Fractal design Terra mini-itx case brings together elegant style and environmental thoughtfulness in a remarkably compact package. Its exterior is crafted from thick anodized aluminum, providing a sleek, modern look, while the front panel features sustainably sourced solid walnut, giving the case a warm, natural touch that sets it apart. Internally, the Terra is ingeniously designed around an adjustable spine, a slidable central wall that lets you fine-tune space allocation between your GPU and CPU cooler area, enabling support for a full-length graphics card up to around 322 millimeters, while still accommodating modest cooler heights. Despite its tiny approximately 10.4L footprint, it supports an SFX or SFX LPs, includes 2 dedicated mounts for 2.5 SSDs, and even comes with a PCIe 4.0 riser cable pre-installed. Cooling-wise, it supports one 120mm fan at the bottom, or an optional 120mm radiator on the side, and the ventilated top, bottom, and side panels allow natural airflow without compromising its minimalist aesthetics. Access is exceptionally user-friendly. The top and side panels open via spring-loaded hinges. Number 3. The Lianli Q58 is a brilliantly compact mini-itx case that manages to combine elegance, flexibility, and real build potential in a surprisingly small 14.5-liter frame. Sculpted from sleek aluminum and steel, it features dual side panels, either tempered glass or fine mesh, that hinge open smoothly, giving you the freedom to pick between showcasing your components or optimizing for better airflow. Despite its size, it supports both SFX and full-length ATX power supplies thanks to a clever convertible bracket, making it versatile for different build styles. The Q58 even includes a riser cable PCIe 3.0 or 4.02 mount a graphics card vertically, accommodating GPUs up to about 320 millimeters long and 3 slots thick, which is rare for such a tight chassis. Storage is surprisingly generous too. Number 2. The Fractal design ridge is a refined and ultra-compact mini-itx case that effortlessly combines style and function in a slim 12.6-liter chassis. Its sleek profile is wrapped in a fabric front panel framed by CNC machined aluminum, giving it a modern, minimalist aesthetic that blends seamlessly into both living room and desk setups. It supports high-performance hardware, accommodating graphics cards up to around 335 millimeters long, and even includes a PCIe riser card, either PCIe 3.0 or 4.0, for vertical GPU mounting. Despite its small frame, the ridge doesn't skimp on cooling. It comes with 2 pre-installed 140mm PWM fans and allows additional fan mounts to 120/140ths of a millimeter and 380mm. With good ventilation on every side, the design offers flexibility and orientation. You can stand it vertically or lay it flat while tool-free. Removable panels give you full access to the interior for easier building or maintenance. For storage, there are 4 dedicated 2.5 drive mounts, and for connectivity, its front I/O includes 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and a combined headphone mic jack. Number 1. The Fractal design Torrent Nano is a strikingly compact mini-itx tower that manages to bring serious airflow and component support into a small footprint, built around a steel frame with either solid or tempered glass side panels. Its front grille is wide open to welcome air, while a massive 180mm dynamic PWM fan delivers powerful intake right out of the box. It supports mini-itx and mini-itx motherboards, and astonishingly can fit GPUs up to about 335 millimeters in length when the front fan is installed. The case also accommodates ATX power supplies up to 200 millimeters long, and supports tall CPU coolers up to 165 millimeters. For storage, there's a vibration-damped tray for one 3.5 or two 2.5 drives, plus a dedicated bracket for two more 2.5 SSDs. Cooling flexibility is very good, besides the big front fan. The Torrent Nano gives room for a 120 millimeters fan at the back. Two 140/120ths of a millimeter fans on the bottom, and even support for liquid cooling. With radiator mounts for 240 millimeters in the front, or up to 280 millimeters underneath, it also includes practical touches like an adjustable GPU support bracket to keep your graphics card steady, dust filters on the front and bottom to protect from grime, and cable routing clips with Velcro straps to help you build cleanly. The top-mounted PSU layout separates its airflow path from that of the rest of the system, keeping components cooler, and the front I/O panel offers modern connectivity with a USB-C Gen 2 port, along with two USB-A ports